Okay, we're up on top. I gave them a couple minutes to settle down, and then I came back up and there was none outside. I could see them at the hole though, so I got this idea, you know what, I'm going to plug their hole so I can take care of that other one. Now they're going to be pretty mad when I take that off, but at least it's going to give me some time, and as soon as I pull that plug I'll have the other one ready. So that's my plan. I'm going to do that now, and then we'll open the hole back up. I'm not going to close them in, but I just need some time to work here. And they're getting a little nasty. I've already gotten bit twice. Okay, so we're up on the very top here. There's other videos, lots of other videos about this. Okay, let's pull that plug and get the thing ready to put on there quick.